Hey Fox, hello and welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install YouTube app in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and from here, please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear here in this window and once it's here, click on open to continue. Once you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, okay, please proceed with the Windows search bar and type for YouTube. Click on enter. And the moment you do it, you would be redirected to the YouTube website or window, okay, where you can see or where you can open the YouTube here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, okay? So from here, if you'd like to install this as an application, we need to proceed at the upper right side of that. There you can see there are three dots. Click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see a list of the options at the right side of the screen. Locate your cursor to the Fast, Save, and Share. Once you're done, please proceed with this option, which is Install YouTube. Okay. And from here, click on Allow. Okay. Or you can simply access this icon, okay, where you can install this application. So click on Install. And from here, we just have to wait until a new window would appear, which is our YouTube, which exactly means that we have successfully bring up or install this YouTube as an application here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can now close it as well as the Google Chrome browser. And from here, you would be able to see a YouTube shortcut that you have saved or that you have created automatically here in your Windows 11 desktop. So if you would want to search it here at the bottom search bar and type for YouTube, you would be able to see a best match, which is a YouTube as an application. So from here, you can click on open to proceed. So accessing YouTube or installing YouTube application is very important in our PC, especially if we are fond of watching videos here in our YouTube. This is very important to easily access it without even searching it in the Google Chrome browser, in the Microsoft Edge, or any of the browser that is available in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you'd like to pin that in your taskbar, you can simply click on yes. And if you'd like to decline that, click on no thanks. And that way you would be able to pin it in the taskbar. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.